The tuition fees at most UK universities for international students are not smiling at all. Now, some schools offer discounts for international students. Some offer scholarships that you have to apply for. Now, for me, yes, I'm going to use myself as an example. I had the privilege and the grace, and I don't know what I will call it, to be able to get a 50% off scholarship. So I got a 50% tuition fee scholarship that I had to apply for, and I also got a bursary that was automatic for international students. So by the time the two discounts came, my total fees was about 7,000 from 22,000 something. So that was a real drop, and it really helped me in affording the school that I went to. Now, some schools don't have that option of the 50% discount. They have automatic discount. However, with the rush, inflation and everything going on, some schools have started removing that option of automatic discount for international students. So in this video, I'll be sharing the schools that are still offering automatic scholarship or discounts for international students as of September 2023 and January 2024. So if you want to know the schools that are still offering tuition fee discounts, please keep on watching.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Cause you know I get it, I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky, getting freaky. Get it right, get that freaky on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi, aka Petite Diva, and I am a University of Nottingham alumni and a Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this educational series, I talk about the UK admission process, the UK visa application process. I also talk about tips and tricks on how to enjoy your stay in the UK, and I also talk about tips and tricks on how to earn more money as an international student. So if you like videos such as this, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, before we continue this video, I just want to remind you that I offer some UK educational services. Right now, what I have is the UK admission package. As of this period, most September courses are already closing. So what I have is a mix of September course application and January course application. Depending on what is going on, it might be more of January application and less of September, or it might be balance of both. So if you want to use my admission package at this point in time, please check the description box for my email and send me an email. Please, when sending me an email, send me all your documents and let me know what you want to do in the UK, what course, and your background. Also, my services are not for free. It costs more than 120,000 because it's not a one application package, it's a multiple application package. By the time you contact me and then we are talking and I see that you fit to my clientele, I will let you know how many courses that I'm applying for, because the admission package comprises of me choosing courses that best fit you, writing SOPs for the courses, also writing an academic CV that will help to boost your chances of getting an offer, and also helping you to make the application so that your application process is as smooth as possible. You can also join the Telegram group and contact me. The link to the Telegram group is in the description box. Please click the link and join the group. When you join, please note that you would be restricted for a couple of days so that you can catch up with the information being shared in the group. After the restriction has been removed, you can contact me if you want to use my service. Please, I don't answer any general questions privately. If you have a general question, please ask it in the group, and then someone, if I'm not available, would answer you. So now, with all that said, let's get into this video. Now, automatic discounts are such a good news for people, especially international students, because with automatic discounts you don't even have to apply. Most of the time you just because you're an international student and you have a certain grade for some school, you'll be offered discounts between £6,000 to about 19 or 15. So it can help to reduce the amount of tuition fees that you pay. If you are in a school where the tuition fee is about 15,750 and you get a discount, automatic discount, just because of the grade of your undergraduate degree, that's if you have a first class 2-1 or 2-2, and you get a discount of 3,000, that has reduced the fees from 15,750 to 12,750, which is actually a good thing, because £3,000 is a lot of money. £6,000 is a lot of money. Now, a lot of schools used to offer international students automatic discount. I have a previous video where I listed some of the schools that offered automatic discount, but a lot of things changed for September 2023. Some schools actually removed those discounts, so that video is kind of outdated. Some schools actually stopped offering the automatic discount, some reduced it. Schools like Teesside University, University of Derby, that used to offer £2,000 for international students, are no longer offering those discounts for international students. So what you see is what you pay. There are some other scholarships that might be offered, but you have to apply, and you know those scholarships are limited. If your essay is not on point, you might not get the scholarship. Like for University of Derby, they still have some scholarships that they would award they will give you a discount of 5,000. I've seen somebody that actually applied for that and then got the £5,000 discount. So they are still offering those ones, but the automatic discount that is given to or across board to all international students that have an offer has been stopped. Now in this video, I'm going to list some of the schools that are still offering it by September 2023. Now there is a huge possibility that it will still be offered for January 2024. Now why I said that is that most times the fees and whatever that is approved for September 2023 is the same thing that will be approved for January 2024. That's because whatever is approved for the September intake is always approved for the January intake, because they are both in the same session. Now the present session is 2023/2024. So these are the schools that offered automatic discount for September 2023, and likely the same discount will be applicable for January 2024 session. Now some of these schools offered a higher amount of discount last year, but it was reduced this year. As long as they're still offering it, I think it's still a good thing, unlike those that removed it. So let's get into the over 15 schools that are still offering automatic discount for international students. The first one is University of Dundee. Now University of Dundee offers a discount of £5,000 to £6,000, and depending on your degree award. So if you have a 2-2 or a 2-1, you get the £5,000 discount. If you have a first class, you get the £6,000 discount. Previously, if you're doing a business course, you used to get like an extra 2,000 discount, but right now that 2,000 discount has been removed. So what you get is just 5,000 or £6,000 discount. Now the next school is University of Bradford, which offers £4,000 discount. The next one is University of East Anglia, which also offers £4,000 discount. Now we also have Manchester Metropolitan University, which is still offering the £3,000 discount. For University of South Wales, they offer a £2,500 discount. University of Salford now offers a discount of between £2,500 to £3,000. Previously it was £3,000 to £3,500, but things changed this year and they reduced it. Now if you have a 2-2 and a 2-1, you get the £2,500 pounds discount. If you have a first class, you get a £3,000 discount. The next one is Robert Gordon University, which offers £2,000 discount. Then we have University of Stirling, which offers £4,000 discount. We also have University of Lincoln that offers between £5,000 to £6,000 discount. Now the next one is Sheffield Hallam University. Sheffield Hallam University offers £2,000 discount to, I think, only Nigerians. I'm not sure, but I've seen some Ghanaians have offers and did not get the discount. So right now I'm sure of Nigerians having £2,000 discount. I think there are other international students that qualify for that, other international students of other countries that qualify for the £2,000, but I'm not sure, so I cannot list the countries. But I know for Nigerians that they get £2,000 discount. Previously it used to be 3,000, but it's now 2,000. The next one is Cardiff Metropolitan University, which offers a £2,000 discount. The next one is Queen's University Belfast, that offers £2,000 discount. Another school that offers £2,000 discount is Glasgow Caledonia University. University of Sutherland offers £1,400 discount. And then Loughborough University offers a 20% discount. So depending on your tuition fee, you just calculate 20% and that is the discount that will be given to you. The last university is the University of Gloucestershire, which offers £2,000 discount. Now, these schools that I mentioned are schools that I know people that have gotten admission in, and these discounts came with their offer. Now, there are more schools that might have stated they are giving automatic discount on their website. Now, I did not mention those schools because sometimes the websites are not updated, so I don't want to give information about schools that I don't have concrete proof that they offered that scholarship or that discount for September 2023. So I've stated schools that I know people that got offers, that I helped people get offers into these schools, so that I'm well aware of, oh yes, this is what is still going on, because things, they change. They can change their mind. They can put on their website, we are giving £2,000 or £3,000 discount. By the time you get offer, they will tell you, oh, it has been removed. Like what happened with the University of Derby. Previously, I know they used to give £2,000. It was on their website and everything. By the time a lot of people had gotten offer, they did not see it on their offer, and we were all discussing in my group that what's going on. I'm like, maybe they've removed it or maybe they've not. You need to contact your school to find out more information. And they did a seminar or webinar, and it was one of the questions asked, and they said they've removed it. And some people had already what would I say, some people were already invested in the school, and they were so disappointed that the discount has been removed. Another school that I will mention that gives discount is Nottingham Trent University. But Nottingham Trent University has a clause. Now, if you have a 2-1 and above, you can apply for what is called the Higher Achievers Award. Now, this Higher Achievers Award, you don't have to do too much. You just have to fill in your information, as your name, your student ID, after you've been given an offer, and that's all. And then after the deadline, you'll be sent a message that you've been given the £3,000 discount. However, usually before, it used to be like once you apply, you get. But some things happened last year because there was so many applicants for that. They started rationing it, and then they closed the application early. Now, if you have a 2-1 and you apply early, get your offer early, apply for the Achievers Award early, you are most likely going to get the £3,000. Now, if you don't have a 2-1 and above, you have to apply for the international scholarship, and that involves writing essays. It's not automatic, so you might write the essay and you might get oh sorry, unfortunately we cannot give you the discount. So that is why it's a special mention. It's not automatic, you still have to apply for it. So that is all for today. I hope this video helps you when you are choosing a school to apply for in January 2024. £6,000 is a lot of money. £4,000 is a lot of money. Even £2,000 is a lot of money if you compare the tuition fee of the school. So I hope this video was very useful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Crazy.